Okay, the car is jacked up. I'm show you guys a good spot to jack this vehicle up at. It's a great spot in the front. Jack kind of slid up some, but that's fine. Ain't going nowhere. And I got my jack stands propped there and they're secure. So I'm gonna do the brakes on both sides, and I'm changing the hub bearing on this side. So the hub bearing will be a separate video. I'm just gonna change the brakes and rotors in this video, and the hub bearing will be a second video. So let's get. Oh, let me show you guys this also. When you're jacking this vehicle, because the front locks, well, the transmission acts as a sort of like a brake. You can use the emergency brakes, and in the rear it just rolls. So you definitely want to put a stump behind both wheels. I got this large stump behind this wheel, so it won't roll back or won't cause the jack, especially if you're on some sort of incline. That jack will roll back and the vehicle will roll back and possibly roll off that jack. You definitely want to do that and possibly hurt yourself. So get those jack stands under there. First thing I did was prop that large block under well, it's a chock or block, that large block under behind the wheel, and then I jacked up to stop my jack from rolling back. Prop my stands under there, and now I'm secure and safe, and I got my dolly I can roll under and get started. So let's get these wheels shut off, and I'll be back in seconds. I'll be changing part number, but I'll put the brakes and the part numbers, the link to why I actually bought this set. It came with these ceramic brake pads and both of these rotors. I got a super great deal on them. I'll put that link in the description box. You guys can click the link and go directly to where I purchased them at for a great price. And I'm also changing this hub bearing, which will be in another video. I just want to show you guys. I got it. The driver's side hub bearing is bad on this vehicle. I typically change out both of them, but the other one is good. I'm not going to mess with it right now. And I'm jacked up. I'll move the jack out my way, and let's get busy. Okay, got the brake cleaner ready. I'll be using this lubricant since I'll be trying to get that hub bearing lubed up. Looks like this bolt been off in forever, so start spraying that. Getting that prepared as I do the hub bearing video next. And brake cleaner, just trying to get all the dust and corrosion from around these parts while I break them loose. Okay, I have the new rotor sitting here with the brake cleaner because most people recommend you clean these. Well, most applications recommend you clean these rotors, even though they're new. They ship from the factory with oils and dust or dirt build up over them. As you can see, I wiped the new rotor off. It's not bad. I rarely do it, and you can just use some brake cleaner and just clean the surface off. Okay, the caliper bolts are 13 millimeter. This caliper bolt is a 13-16 to work. Really snug fit, really tight fit, or 21 millimeter. 21 millimeter is this goes over it. Little play in it. The 13-16 is like the perfect fit. Okay guys, the torque spec for these caliper bolts are caliper bracket bolts are 125 foot-pound. The torque specs for these caliper slides or the caliper pins are, the bolts for here are 26 foot-pound. So let's get back started. Make sure this brake go on the back side.